Hello everyone, myself Anirudh Chaudhary from csstack.org. Today we are going to learn one more Python tricks, how to clear Python interpreter console. So this simple trick will help you throughout your programming careers. So we almost everyone use a Python interpreter console for practicing Python code and writing Python code. And you might have seen that there is no direct way or a command to clear the Python interpreter consoles, but there is a way of doing it indirectly, and this is all about this tutorials. So if you want to learn about how to clear the Python interpreter consoles, watch this video till the end. In this tutorial, for demonstrate purpose, we are using the Python 3.8 on my Windows systems, but if you are using the Linux systems, you can also do the same on your Linux system as well. So I have opened my Python interpreter consoles. I'm just writing some random Python code here. Now I want to clear this Python interpreter consoles, but there is no direct way of clearing this Python interpreter console. So let's see how we can do it. So basically we are going to use the system calls here, and to use the system calls we need to import the OS library. Import OS, and this OS library comes pre-built installed with the Python, so you don't need to explicitly install it. After importing the OS library, we need to make the system calls. So let's see how we can do the system calls. I'm just using the system method from the OS library, and this is the CLS commands for Windows to clear the Python interpreter console. And when I run this, you can see that we have cleaned our Python interpreter console. I will take the same code again. Now we have written the code again here, right? So if you want to clear this Python interpreter console, we might need to call this system calls multiple times to clear the Python interpreter console. So basically what we are going to use is we are defining one function called as clear, and now every time whenever we want to clear the Python interpreter consoles, we can just make the call clear, and this will clear the Python interpreter consoles. This is a simple tricks will work for the Windows, and if you are using the Linux systems, instead of using the CLS command, use a clear command, and this will work for you as well. Here, instead of defining your own methods, you can also use a lambda function. If you want, all these commands are already noted down in my tutorial clear Python interpreter consoles. I will share the link of this tutorials in the description. So if you scroll down, you can see that the command for clearing the Python interpreter console for Windows, and then command for clearing the Python interpreter consoles on the Linux system. I would recommend don't just copy and paste this code. If you copy and paste this code, I'm pretty sure you will forget this code, and tomorrow again you will search on the Google. The best way is to understand the code written above, and it's pretty simple to remember and write the code if you know how it has implemented. I hope you find these commands and the guide useful for your Python learning. And is there anything if I can help you, just let me know in the comment sections. If you find this tutorial helpful for you, please like and share this video tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel to watch more Python tricks. Thank you. We'll see you in the next video.